Alright, you're on.
Okay, this is me, Morgan. We're back to local news.
It's a dog tail and okay.
This is me, Morgan. We're back to local news. Later today at the airport, a fluffy little bunny was hopping around, and a dog chased it and was trying to do its doo-doo business on the bunny.
On the bunny?
And then the bunny splashed in the pool, and the dog splashed in the pool. And then later today, the wife dog, which was the boy, jumped in the pool and got the groom and married it later today. But he accidentally married her butt. And then later today, two little dogs married a car. And later today, one of the dogs married a big chest. And later today, a dog was when Cowabunga. Cowabunga! And later today, all those things happened. And today, we're gonna do something fun. Come on, come get it, boys! 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4.